Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And as you know, we had a flash sale, a big flash sale, and it was a good flash sale. So good that I went back in 2 additional times. So I have 3 orders coming from the flash sale. I got one of my orders in. I think this was the last one I went back in for. And I got so much good stuff. The big one has not shipped yet. Okay, so if you are a consultant or even a customer, know that when you order from flash sales, they have like 21 business days to ship. And so it always takes a lot longer. When you order from a flash sale, you must be wearing your patient pants, okay? You gotta be patient. But I got one of my boxes and the other ones, not yet. Let's see. One's pending. The other one is still posted. So, like, I got to be patient as well. All right. So, super excited, you guys. So, if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know if any of this was stuff that you liked and got, and let me know what you grabbed when you went into the flash sale. I got so much stuff, I can't even remember what I got. I can't even remember. Your guess is as good as mine. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so I went back in, like I said, I shopped 3 different times and I got a lot of stuff. So I think the first thing I'm going to start with is scent circles. Now, I think all the scent circles I got, I believe that they were all like super cheap. Let me go into my flash sale order and see how much they were. And I'll start pulling them out. You guys, I got so much good stuff. So much good stuff. So let's see. Order history. And it was on the 12th. So if you are a Scentsy consultant, go into your workstation and make sure you're updating your customers. Scroll down to the 12th because that's when it took place. All right. So order history is what I need. Orders, history. Let's get it together, Vicki. Let's get it together. Okay. So let's see which one it was. Was it this one? Nope. That's the next one I got. So let's see what else. The 12th. I think it was this one. Nope. That one was for somebody else. Oh my gosh, you guys, we did so good on the 12th. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's this one. Here we go. Okay, so I found it. All right, so I got a bunch of scent circles, and I grabbed only the ones that were 90 cents. They're normally $3, right? But I grabbed only ones that were 90 cents, and I grabbed ones that, well, first of all, I bought 3 different scents, and I love these scents, and so I'm super excited I can use them. If you're a consultant, that's the time to grab stuff for host gifts, gifts, like for my thank yous. That's what I like them for. So 90 cents from $3. Hello. That's the time to do it. So I got pink sugarberry mint. All right. I love this scent. Love it, love it, love it. So I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 of those, okay? This is great for spring, summer. I won't be giving these out yet because it's just not, people still want pumpkin. So we're not going to do that. But I also grabbed, I believe, 10 of a Sunburst Bamboo. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. And Sunburst Bamboo was a really, really good one. It had like a cucumber aloe, very kind of like a cucumber and aloe is what it smells like. But I love this scent. This was a scent of the month in June, July, something like that. June, maybe. And it was so good. I loved it. And I was like, oh, these are great. Thank yous. So I grabbed a bunch of that scent. And then I grabbed a lot of these too. I think did I grab more of these? Or is there 10? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so I grabbed 15 of these, and these were a scent of the month, I believe, for July. Was it June or July? Maybe June, because it came with our, the scent was with our, what was it? The camper, the Americana, the Liberty, I forget what they called it, but it was really cute. And it's red, white, and berry pie. And I loved this scent. I love this scent. So I thought these would be great for my July orders as thank yous. So I grabbed some of those. You guys got to be thinking, because you want to, like, if you do like to, you know, give gifts to your customers and to your hostesses, you still want to be money conscious. So that I got all for customers. The next stuff that I got was for me. Now these were a little bit more. I know I got in my other order a ton of pods as well. We go through a lot of pods here. I have 2 air purifiers. My daughter's got an air purifier. I have mini fan diffuser in my car. I also have a wall fan diffuser right here. So we go through a ton of pods. And so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I love this scent, you guys. This was from Easter, the Easter collection, and it's Blueberry Burst. I still have a couple, and I just love this scent. It's in my club for bar. I love it. And this is a good, strong scent in pods. I really like it. So they're normally $10. I got them for $6. Now, the next ones I got are for now, actually, because those I'm going to hold off to till like spring, summer. So those I'm just going to put away so that I have them for spring, summer, because I love that scent. But the next ones I got, these were only $2 each, and I got 4 of them. So they were $10, and now they're $2. And they are the scent Joy and Wonder. And I've bought these before when they were in the clearance, but they weren't $2. I got them for $2. So normally 10, and I got them for 2. And I love it. Very Christmassy. They work even for fall. They blend really nicely. So that's what I got. And I think that's everything that I got in this first, I think this was the last one I went back and grabbed, but my first one that's come in the mail. So, but I am so excited that I got these, even at $6. That's still $4 off, right? $2. So me and my daughter will definitely be using these. I know I got more in the other order as well. I cannot wait. I'm trying not to look at the other orders because I kind of want to be surprised when I'm pulling them out of the box. Even though I'm the one that that ordered it, I forgot what I ordered. I was so excited. I was throwing everything in my cart. So, but that's everything right now, you guys. Let me know what you grabbed in the flash sale. And if you got your stuff, let me know if you got your stuff yet. I know a lot of people haven't got it. Make sure you guys letting your customers know, like when you order from flash sales, you must be patient because it takes a lot longer. We're selling a ton of product in one day. And so once they understand that, then they're not worried like, where's my order? It's like, it's coming. Let's just sit back and wait. Grab a coffee. All right, you guys. I hope you like my video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.